Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today is some more entries into our mini pocket letter swap and raffle. So here they are. Look how cute. And this is from Tiffany. She is Glamnurse on Instagram, so you definitely have to go check her out. And let's see. So I'm going to assume that since these are all the same, and this fourth one would be for me, so we're just going to put these off to the side. And we're actually going to put them back in Tiffany's envelope. That's how I'm kind of keeping track of everything and where to send them and all that. Everything is staying in the envelopes until it's time to sort them out and send them. So look at, oh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so just a little glue dot there holding everything together. Oh, Tiffany, I'm loving this envelope. I'll put that over there. Okay, so there's a little note here. Okay, she does say feel free to take them out of the envelope if it's cheaper to ship. So we will see how that goes. I know when I first did this, I'm like, yeah, send $3, that'll cover shipping. Now I'm like, what? I'm like, I hope so. I'll make it work, guys. I will make it work. Okay, so let's take a look at, this is so pretty. It says from the heart. I'm loving the, is this a Maggie Holmes? I'm not even sure. Let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see. Aw, so cute. And then on the back, all right, so she put her postage money here. So let's take that out. And we have our tea bag, Asian Pear Harmony. Oh, that sounds so good. And then over here, some circle die cuts, really cute, matching the envelope. I love this telephone one. So cute, Tiffany. And there's our tea bag. It says green tea. And then what do we have in here? Oh, a little girl. Oh, look at how cute she is. Oh, where'd she go? A little puffy sticker. Aw, so adorable. Thank you. And then there are some tag cutouts. Oh, okay. So a tag, and it's got the gold, and then the, what do you call it? The hello telephones on the other side. Tiffany, thank you so much for thinking of me while you were creating your pocket letters. Thank you so much for the card. And guys, like I said, she is Glamnurse on Instagram. Check her out below. All right, so our next entry is from Meekaboo32. That is Shamika over on Instagram. She sent a nice card. Shamika is one that always enters my swaps and stuff. So thanks again, girl, for entering. So there's an envelope here that has my name on it. So let's take a look. And I love this. I know she created this herself. I know it. I have to start doing more things like that. Oh, and look. Oh, it's like a little paper, but like the embroidery hoop, the stuffed embroidery hoops, but it's like a little paper. How cute is this? And then inside it's stuffed with a ton of little goodies. And I am loving this tag. Let me guess, is this another Maggie Holmes collection that I don't know about? So let's just look. Oh, look at the little ephemeras here. I love it. Tags, the camera, oh, the teapot. It's got like a shimmer to it. Every piece here has like a shimmer. The happiest girl in the whole wide world. Yeah, that is me most of the time. Balloons. Look at these embossed balloons. Can you see that? A heart and some, ooh, Vanilla Spice Perfect. And yeah, perfect energy. Great. Oh, so happy for that tea bag. I can't wait to like put all the tea bags I get and just put them in a little box and be like, okay, well, what tea do I want tonight? Okay, so I do have to open this up to take a look at the pocket letters so we can just show you guys a little bit. And I don't want to, I have to make sure that I don't cut anything. So I was able to get them out of that bag, and look at the gorgeousness. Look at. So you have 3 of the little, the mini pocket letters, and look at the tassel on each side, guys. It has a tassel, and then it has this really cute charm, but look at, each charm is adorable. This one here, look at that. Like a little, reminds me of, well, it's just a girl in a winter coat. And then the flower. Can you see that? So pretty. Oh, I love it. And then on the back, I know we don't get too much into the back so that you guys will be surprised, but she does have the tea bag in everybody's. some die cuts and ephemera, probably from the same collection, and then some samples of washi tape. And then she has a card here with her information on it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. She did that great. All right. Okay, the next entry here in this adorable Hallmark bag. This is from Letha, and she is on Instagram as BreeMom842. So let's just pop this out of this bag. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. And then let's take a look at what she has sent. Oh, these are pretty. Tassel. And some ribbon here. Okay. Whoa. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, and let's take a look at, oh, they're adorable. Oh, each one is so, I just love. Okay, and they all have the tassel. Look at that. So they're all a little bit different. If we flip them over. Oh, look at that. Look at that camera jemmy there. Where did that come from? So if we flip them all over and then we just take a look at what is in the back, we have some sequins mix. We have their RT, and then some gems. It looks like they're a little bit different in the back of each. This one has some the thick chipboard ephemera. That's actually really cute ephemera. I was gifted some of that a while back, and I don't know what collection that's from, but it was really cute, and I was able to use a lot of it. And then some bling, and then look at this cute sequins mix. I love that. I love the black and white striped ones. I love any sequins that have more, like the stripes like that, like more than one color, are just amazing because I can't find them anywhere. All right, so Letha, thank you so much for entering. Okay, so that was actually Letha's first group swap, BreeMom 842. So I'm glad you, you know, jumped in here. All right, so now we have our next little package here, and this comes from our girl Eileen Mack. And let's see if we can open this gently. Okay, and then we're just gonna pull them out. Oh, they smell good. I can smell that tea. Okay, so Eileen did include a little note. Hope all is well and enjoy my entry. Of course, Eileen, my girl. Okay, so let's take a look. Is this the front? Oh, look at how she did these. Oh, and she did send 4, so that means I'm going to keep one. So I'm just gonna take that one up top and neatly put those back. All right, so let's take a look. She has a cute tassel on the side. Look at this, made out of yarn. She did it out of yarn. And look at that little pink flower. Oh, guys, I'm loving the beads that are out. You know, another thing, like, I don't know how some of you gals get these adorable beads. Okay, so we have Brad's Organic Echinacea Tea. Very good. Caffeine free. That's always great. And here's a little tag here. Okay. Handmade by Eileen Mack. Oh, super cute. She has a stamp. And then she just has her name and information on here so that you can go ahead and follow her along on her social media. And I would like all of you to do that as you receive them or as you see these videos. So here is a cute sequins mix in the center. Eileen did do some stitching along the top to hold the sequins in. And then in the one pocket here, let's see, we have some dimensional stickers, some bling. Look at these butterflies. So cute. Mason jar, another butterfly. I'm wondering if she made these. Like if you have a butterfly punch, and then you just need that little stapler there. And you could, what a great idea. And then you make your butterflies dimensional. Here's a cute butterfly sticker. And I like this one. Dream with the button here. Looks like cardboard on the back, really cute. And then some extra sequins mix. Absolutely adorable. So you guys are seeing like so many different ideas. Like I would never think to attach stuff like this over here. Like I would never think to put the tea bag over there. So creative. That gives you an extra pocket to work with in the pocket letter. So all right guys, I hope you enjoyed. These were 4 entries, so that was a lot. I don't mean to do 4 at a time. I kind of want to make the video shorter so that you enjoy watching and you get to see everybody who entered, but I was a little bit behind. So I just wanted to get them done and get them up there and out there into the crafty universe so that you can see what's going on here. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.